All right, so now that we've got this track mix set up with the short right pin, we can kind of see where your ball is missing, where your tendencies are. Looks like you still are having that short right miss. So what we're going to do is try to build a setup to get you to curve that ball a little bit more left. So go ahead and take your setup to what feels normal. And all I'm going to have you do, Kyle, is drop this foot back just a little bit. And I'm going to have you turn your shoulders just a little bit. So, you said you had a little bit of a baseball background. We're going to point those shoulders more towards the first baseman. And then I'm just going to have you feel like you get a little bit more turn going back that way. Yep, with your chest, okay? Give that a swing. Then you can really see how that ball wants to turn left.
Right.
Now, depending on where you're at situationally, that might be a good thing or a bad thing if it curves that much. But I tend to try to get players to over-curve the ball when needed versus under-curve, especially when there's water or trees or some kind of hazard, right?
Sure.
So
now, when I was set up like that, right, normal, drop the foot back a little bit, the ball feels really far forward in my stance.
Yeah. So that's normal. You can move the ball back a little bit if that's more comfortable, and that'll even promote that path more towards the right, even a little bit more. Okay?
Right. Will you explain that? How moving the ball back? Like that doesn't click in my. How does moving the ball back in my stance promote path going that way?
Right. So this club swings on more of a circle. You can think of it as a circle, right? And if we start to move the ball back, you're going to be coming in here a little earlier and making contact with the ball versus if the ball is going forward, that circle would be kind of working more this way.
Sure.
Does that make sense?
All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
So, yeah, by our building this in our setup, it's going to be able to create a lot of different shots. So let's hit just a few more with that feel. Dropping that foot back, pointing the shoulders a little bit. All right, let it rip. There you go.
Yeah, wow.
Nice big draw.
The extra yards there too.
Awesome.